Hey guys, I just thought I'd make a quick little video to show you guys what I've been doing this morning. So as you can see behind me, I've got a load of pallet wood which I've been chopping up. So when I moved into my house, I ended up with quite a few pallets. There's a few there and a few here, so I've decided to start splitting them and just make a few usable planks of wood for little upcycle projects. And one of the things I'm thinking about is this little offcut of a pallet which I've ended up with, and there's a piece underneath it which is just about the same length, so I was going to use that as a base. So it comes kind of like that, screw that onto the bottom, and then the plan was to screw that maybe onto the side of my shed and use it as a window box, just to plant some herbs in there, or maybe some tomatoes, or anything really, some small plants. And then I've got, here you can see I've got a lot of pallet wood left to break up, but I'm sure I'll figure something out. That's all the scrap that I'm going to be throwing away. And if you're wondering what this milk bottle is, it's just like a makeshift dust collection, so it doesn't go all over the place. It's basically just a milk bottle attached to my dust port with a couple of holes made in it to let the air out, and it does a pretty good job. It catches, I would say, at least 60-70% of the dust, so it doesn't go all over me. But yeah, that's what I thought I'd just quickly show you guys. Let me know what you think. Okay, bye.